Hello, my name is Gabriel Viner, and this is my CSCB58 project submission. It's a 2D racing platforming game, and I'm just going to show how it works from a high level, and then get into some of the code and explain what all that means. So as soon as we start the game, we're greeted with um, an intro screen, which tells us to choose our speed: 1 for slow, 2 for medium, and 3 for fast. So I'm going to choose 1 just to show you the slow mode, just to show you the basic functionalities. And so as soon as we start the game, we see this red car inside of a row of blue and red pixels. This represents our safe zone, and the red car is our user-controlled car. So the safe zone essentially works as so. So a user can go in and then go back in, right? So the car cannot collide with the user as if it's in the safe area. Additionally, we can detect collision with this game as well. So if this red car goes up to this yellow car, it collides and we lose a life. As you can see over here, we had 3 dots and now we have 2. You can also lose lives by going up the roadside. So if I go too high, if I if I go out of bounds, then I lose a life. And if I also go to the side as well, right? If I lose the game, then I'm given an option to restart, and I will restart just to show you some more interesting stuff about the game. So let's go into another mode. Let's go into media mode, for example. So the cars move a little bit faster. As you can see, the slow mode didn't show this too well because it's going really slow. But as you can see, the cars are actually moving in different speeds. Like for example, this blue car is moving at a different rate than the yellow and the pink car. So I kind of made it in a way where the first lane and the last lane are kind of moving at the same type of speed, and the two in between lane, like the second and the third lane, are both a little bit faster. This will make it harder for to weave in and out, thus making the game a little bit more challenging. And then, yeah, you can do stuff like this. I also forgot to mention one more thing. If you are at the starting position and you go down, then you lose another life. I'll show that again. This time I'll show it on fast mode. So this one's a little bit more tricky. Yeah, the fast mode is definitely a bit crunchy, but let's move down from the starting point and see what happens. So if we move down from the starting point, then we lose a life. So once you're at the starting point, you cannot go down any further, right? And so I think I've pretty much covered all the features about the game. That's pretty much all it does. Your goal is to just survive. There is no score. You just have to stay alive for as long as you can. So I guess a good score would to be a timer, I guess. If you want to time yourself for how long you can play it, that's a very good way of playing the game. So we're going to exit the game just to show you. Yeah, so we exited the game. Once I press enter, it says over here the program is finished running, and I'm just going to quickly go through some of the code with you.